Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? This is your faithful and loyal Calgary Rambler coming to you from Shaw. Pontiac Buick. Is that what it says on the side? Nope. Chevrolet Buick GMC here in sunny and gorgeous Calgary, Alberta. Okay, what have I got to show you today? This is the new style GMC Sierra, ladies and gentlemen. 2020. You've been waiting for this for a long time. This gorgeous truck comes finished in medium dark blue, 5.3 liter V8 engine, gas engine, great motor. I just love the torque curve on these engines. 20-inch wheel package in chrome. And look at these grappler tires. Yes. Big. Great tires for life in the western prairies. Comes with beautiful chrome running boards. And a new feature on GM products, thumbprint recognition. The vehicle recognizes your touch and will unlock. Leather interior, ladies and gentlemen. 8.5-inch screen. Sunroof. Beautiful leather back seat. The price on this one comes in at $69,580. Yes, $69,580, ladies and gentlemen. 8-speed automatic. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Look at those wheels. Look at those rims. Beautiful suspension. Shout outs to the staff here at Shaw. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Oh, this is nice. And here's what I've wanted to show you. Okay, for a few years, GM has had this nice step in the rear bumper. But look at this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is new. Multi-purpose, multi-positioning tailgate. Yes. This is gorgeous. What a unique and beautiful option. Oh boy. To the person who buys this, they're going to have a lot of use out of that. And there's your running boards again. Gorgeous. Lots of legroom in that back seat. Lots of legroom. And your front. What a beautiful vehicle, ladies and gentlemen. So do pop by www.shawgmc.com here in Calgary, Alberta on Blackfoot Trail. Come by and see this or any other vehicle that they have in stock. Okay, you have a great day, and I'll see you down the road.